that says anything. And what happened is, at some point, we'll get you an offer today. You'll have the opportunity to review that offer. You have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Harris about that, or you'll have the opportunity to set a trial date if you don't like the offer that's been presented to you. So keep all that in mind when we get that offer, and we'll see if we can resolve all of this today. If not, you'll get a trial date. Good afternoon, Ms. Williams-Law.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Hi, Esme.
Hey, Ms. Harris.
I never forgot that.
Not heard Esme in a while, quite a while.
We lost someone.
You lost Mr. Galecki.
May I go ahead and speak with Mr. Galecki in a breakout room?
You most certainly may.
Thank you. Please and thank you and thank you.
Mr. Galecki? I think you brought find it. Maybe he joined it as just a delay.
Is he in there? Yes.
Not yet.
Oh.
There
Okay,
he
there
goes.
he is.
Where is everyone? You don't answer. You don't have to answer, Your Honor.
Well, I know that I'm sure Ms. Nash would like to come. But then that creates more work for you with the show clauses, right?
Yeah. I'm running out of dates. You know why some not showing up, Your Honor? This one person, it's several like this. They have so many. And I didn't.
He's on duty for the day, huh? He never shows up. Man.
Yeah, I'm up though. Marcello Green. Those are more like people with their dates around, the show cause dates, because they have so many dates out there. You keep
Well,
getting
but,
busy.
Robert Grove doesn't seem to have too much stuff. But she had a couple of pages for Robert Grove.
I was
So
looking
maybe
at,
it's,
yeah, I'm looking at the bottom line, like that $1,000 bottom line. And that's just on the stuff that's been, you know, due for this old stuff or defaults on. But I know, what's that other one I'm familiar with? He never shows up. Let me see what's his name.
I wonder where Dawn is.
Who? Oh, I think he had a late lunch. He was really busy when I saw him.
Did you get lunch?
Yeah, but he was, you know, he was rushing. I mean, I
What
think he
did
had
you
to
have?
go back, a chicken swarm.
Oh,
Yeah, but I think he had to finish up that courtroom before he could eat lunch.
all right. You want to speak with Mr. Teray?
Yes, please, and thank you. And also while we're both attempting to go into the breakout room, just a question of you and Ms. Nash. If possibly anything was received on behalf of Mr. Galecki, he indicates that documents were mailed to the court.
Okay, I'll check. To see if
Thank
I
you, I
got.
appreciate it.
What document for those?
A copy of his registration, possibly his insurance.
Let me see if they.
All right. What about, do you have those on you now, sir?
He does not, Your Honor. He's actually in rehab right now, and he's going to be there for possibly another month or so. So he doesn't have access, but he may be able to get them if the court doesn't already have them. But I'm hoping I could speak with the prosecutor because I think we may be able to resolve this.
All right, and if he doesn't, if he wants to just wait until next month when he gets out, we can do that too. So, Mr. Garrett, Gray, you can go back in that room, and here comes the attorney for you now.
He is not connected to audio, Your Honor.
Both of them aren't connected to audio. I'll send a message.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, now we can.
Okay, okay. So sorry about that.
Sorry, go back in that room.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now we have. Mr. Gray,
Yes.
go back in that room you were just left out of.
How do I go back on that room?
At the bottom, it should be on the bottom. It should be still down to the right. You can't sit here. I'm gonna put you in one and then put you back in the other. Wait until it says room 2.
All right.
You see it?
No, I don't.
There it is. Oh, Galecki went back in there. Oh, let me see. I'm sorry. Maybe that was, I'm sorry.
Oh, now it's
I left my, fob at home.
Oh, for the door? We got a new general counsel.
Yes. When did you send me that information about the letter?
About Miss Warfield,
The letterhead that,
I sent it, let me look under the, I just saw, it. Let me look back under, procurement. It's saved.
forwarded it to me from them?
No, I sent a copy of what they emailed me asking, I guess, your preference for
Okay,
it.
I see it.
Okay.
I don't see the attachment though.
The attachment, let me see. I know I printed a hard copy because I wasn't sure. I didn't, what is your about to remember? Let me see. Let's see. Okay, I'll forward it. Just for this. Yeah, still see some, let's see. What's your date? Yeah.
All right, we're still waiting on the city attorney to get us some offers. So when he gets here, we'll call the case, Mr. Gillette.
Sure. They bounce all over the place today. We just open up like before you move quickly. I gotta go.
That's all right. We'll go ahead.
All right. In the morning.
All right. The attorney mentioned that you had documentation about registration and insurance. Galecki,
Yes, sir.
am I pronouncing that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Is the attorney mentioned that you had proof of registration and insurance at the time?
I have proof of registration and my insurance was expired, lapsed at that point, but I got it after that.
You did get it after the fact?
Yeah.
You have insurance now?
I currently don't drive. But I did right after that, I had insurance.
And you're not able to produce that today, is that correct?
I'm not able to produce it today. I'm in a facility that it's restricted. I need access to my internet account for it.
So how long before you can get out of there?
I'll be able to get the information probably within the next week or two.
You want to come back on another day?
Yeah.
Or you want to see what the offer is, the city attorney? I mean, it would be best if you had that registration and insurance with you.
Yeah. I can. Most likely, yeah, I'd like to see what offer that they have so I can possibly resolve it today.
You got to speak up, sir.
I'd like to see what the offer is so I can possibly just resolve it today.
I still can't hear you. You have to speak up.
I would like to see what the offer is just to see so I can possibly resolve it today.
All right, we'll wait and see then.
All right, thank you.
All right, we're still waiting on the city attorney to come in. He's got a couple other courtrooms that he's handling today, so maybe on now. All right. About two people waiting.
How you doing, Ms. Harris?
I'm great. How are you?
Okay.
Can I ask for what I would like, or would you rather have a breakout room? Should I text you?
I know what you want, but you always say the same thing: dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. This is state matter.
Only one.
Right. So I'll dismiss the other ones. I'll plead the state for this one.
Which one is that?
Texting,
So the texting is the state matter?
yes.
Okay.
And the other one, shouldn't,
Blockading and dismiss the rest?
no, 2 for 2. Blockading and FTD is 4.
Improper equipment and blockading.
FTD and blockading. He's speeding, varying course without signal, no driver's license, and no insurance.
Allegedly. We will respectfully request that these matters be set for trial, please and thank you.
Right.
Okay.
With regards to Mr. Galecki, Your Honor, he is inclined to admit responsibility pursuant to the state matter of texting, and with the understanding that the other two, the no insurance and the no registration, would be dismissed.
For
That's
the
not
one,
for you, Miss. That's
Oh.
not for you, Mr. Garay.
Okay.
No, we don't.
Oh,
Basically, you have to take it off. You can put money on it.
Ms. Derricks, you might want to speak to the prosecutor, state prosecutor, before you do that.
Okay. Is it written as, if I'm looking at this properly, that's 0 points and it does an abstract?
Texting.
Let me make sure.
Yes.
All right, let's call this case, this is the city of Detroit versus Vanis Melvin Giovanni Garay. Case number is SP 1187591, SP 1187591, SP 1187584, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1187602, 1. Appearances for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, and good afternoon to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Garay. Mr. Garay, please state your name for the record.
Melvin Giovanni Garay Banos.
All right.
And Your Honor,
So-
we have, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, waives formal reading. We have discussed the matters and his rights with regards to the misdemeanor matters before the court, as well as the civil infractions. It is my understanding that he wishes to have the court enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and have these matters set for trial. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Trial date, January 21st, 2022 at 9 a.m. Anything further, sir?
No.
All right, I'll see you back January 21st on 2022 at 9 a.m. via Zoom.
All right, thanks.
Have a very good day, sir.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Let's go with, Mr. Galecki, are you, did you work out what the penalties were for the texting?
She was right, it's 0 points.
0 points, non-abstractable?
Correct, yeah.
I don't know what the fine is on that. I guess it's $100. You good with that, Mr. Galecki?
Yes, sir.
And dismiss the other two, right?
Pursuant to the state matter, yes, Your Honor.
Is that Paul?
Yeah, Pavel.
Say that again?
Pavel. The W is like a V, it's Polish.
Oh, Pamel. You gotta speak up, sir. I don't know what's wrong with your system, but turn up the volume or something.
Do I gotta remake?
Pavel, yes, sir.
I'm gonna put you out the room, Mr. Garay, if you don't have any questions.
Oh, okay. I thought I had to remain in here. I'm sorry.
No, unless you want to stay and watch.
No, sorry.
All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Pavel Galecki. Case numbers 217-27999, counts 1 and counts 2, and 217-280-001. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Galecki. Mr. Galecki, please state your name for the record.
Pavel Galecki.
Your Honor,
All
for
right.
purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, waives formal reading of the information. We have discussed his rights with regards to the matters before the court. Based on our discussions, it is his decision to waive his right to trial, admit responsibility to the civil infraction pursuant to a recommendation to dismiss the 2 city counts, and we would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis.
Okay, very well. I'm going to find you responsible. That is your understanding, isn't that, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to be responsible for the operating while reading, typing, or sending a text message. I'm gonna fine you $100 for that. And I'm gonna dismiss the other two matters, based on, with the stipulation of probable cause.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so $100, when can you pay, sir?
I could pay on Thursday.
All right, I'm gonna say pay by October 8th, 2021. I'm gonna set it for review at 8:25. If you've paid and it's in the system that you paid, then you don't have to show back up, but if you have some issue with paying, then you need to show back up at 8:25 on October 8th, all right?
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, any other questions, sir?
No,
All right, have a great day.
thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck to you, Mr. Galecki.
Thank you.